Shut up and sit down.
Scratch, 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 scratch. Dog scratch, cat scratch, monkey scratch. I scratch, you scratch, you scratch. If you don't know how to scratch, I will teach you how to scratch. Yay! Let's scratch. So I want the rocket when it lands on the moon, the fuse will go. Let's see how it will turn off. Let's click on the plus sign again. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, it will go at the sprites column again. I think I'll choose the rocket and paint it. I will paint the rocket's fuse into white. Now we are going to learn something very new. Click on the tick. I'll just make it a little bit smaller. It should be the correct size. Yeah, it's the correct size. Now, when I click on the green flag, I want it to disappear. You can see a new block over here named hide. I'll drag that into the green flag, or let me just show you what happens. If I click on it, it'll just, you cannot see it, but I want it to appear. So then you can see a show block, click on that, and then you can again see the rocket. But I want it to disappear. You can go to the red block. I will show you a new block that's called end. Means nothing will happen after that. So let's see. Now let's learn something very new, what I told you about. When it comes down, I'll teach you a new block that is very hard, but you may find it a little bit easy. Let's block this orange message block. You can see a down button. You can see other envelopes too. I wanted blue color since it's my favorite color. And what I wanted to do is, you'll find another open message column over here. If you do down, you'll again see the color envelopes. I wonder what will happen if I do the same blue and make it appear. Now let's see. Yeah. Oh, now it's great. It's appearing when the rocket just lands. So I'll show you what this really means. Go to the previous rocket, and what happened that after it landed means after the repeat loop, I sent a blue message to somewhere. Who knows? So after it sent the message, come to the previous rocket, and you will and the message will come to the second rocket. This will open the rocket, and this appear thing means this rocket sent the message of appearance. So that's what happened over here. If you don't know the name correctly, you can just type on the blocks like this. So that's it for the messaging. Now I want something more to happen. After it sends the message, I want it to disappear, because you can see orange thing, then you will not see after it lands. So I'll just make it disappear. Now you cannot see the fuse orange color thing. So that's what we learned today. We made the rocket land, but you can still see the astronaut. Well, I don't want him, because after the rocket lands, he should appear. So what you saw, do you remember? We sent a blue message everywhere. Then only the second rocket listened to it, appeared and stopped its fuse. So now same thing we will do to him. Now we will go to the astronaut. I will again make him disappear, or I'll show you a simple trick. Go to the previous rocket. You can see the same command over here. I want the same command to go to the astronaut. So I will just send him like this, and he over here, the same command will appear over here. So then I want him again to listen to the blue message. Now then I'll just take the timer, because he needs time to get out of the rocket, right? I'll put the timer, click on the orange button where the loop was. So you can see a small, you can change its number, it is at 10. You can again change like this, 94 or something, but I want it as 10 itself. So then after that, I want him to appear. And I want him to be a little bit smaller. Just make him smaller. Now let's see how this works now. Let me click on the green flag. Yeah. Yeah. So it's the what we wanted, but we don't want him in this position. We want him getting out of the rocket. For that, I'll make him more smaller. I'll carefully put him over here. Yeah. I want him to appear. I'll click on the orange button and repeat. Then I think, let's see what will happen if we just click on the green flag now. Perfect. Now we want him to become a little bit bigger, so that the same thing we did, maybe 1 or maybe 2 itself. I'll try. I'll see just what happens. He turns too much big, but it looks like he's coming close to the camera. Maybe I'll make him go 1 big, and let's make him a little bit more smaller. Yeah, this much should be enough. Now let's see what happens when you click on the green flag. Yeah. Yeah, now this is perfect. Now we want him to say something. We'll learn a new block that is called the say block. So what he will say is, so you can see a small hi saying. I'll just show you what he does when I tap on it. He'll just say hi like this. I don't want him to say hi. Now I will say 1 small step for man, giant leap for mankind. So let me tap out and it will go. Now let's click on the green flag and see what happens. One small step for a man, giant leap for mankind. So this is what I wanted. It's perfect till here. So this is it for today. In the next episode, I will proceed further with this project. Now I'll show you how the astronaut walks over the moon, and if you are a little bit boring, if you want, we'll add 2 astronauts and a rocket. It will be very much work, but it's okay for us. Bye. See you in the next episode.